My name is Matilda May Pilacapio, and I'm a human rights and environmental defender. My father was a great mentor to me. We lived on a coconut plantation and he was a planter. If he would hear chopping in the bush, he'll send us out, go and see who's slaughtering the tree, who's murdering the tree, for what reason. And it was those sort of instincts and the love for the environment. Where I come from in the Milne Bay province, we go back to a matrilineal society where women have the ownership of land. Of course, there was traditional knowledge and all the taboos. When I led a group of men, I was quite surprised that the men just got up and moved. And these were men from very young boys to the elder chiefs. I found some very challenging times as I went through my environmental activism. The mangrove plays a very vital and important role in Papua New Guinea. It's a habitat for all sorts of sea mammals. In Papua New Guinea is also an area where you have a lot of cyclonic disasters. So the mangrove also plays an important role as a buffer zone. I see a lot of pollution and it breaks my heart. There's a lot of rubbish thrown around, and therefore I was thinking of putting legislation together to start protecting the mangroves from rubbish. I feel like starting off with my own village back home. So I spoke to my sister about it the other day and she agreed. So I said, you go and tell the woman councillor, this is one legislation that she has to start doing. Another fight I had was on Woodluck Island. I said, no, you cannot go and destroy the island environment. Woodluck has beautiful ebony trees. You don't find anywhere else in the world. With the help of a lot of our environmental lawyers, we managed to put a stop on the export of raw logs out of Milne Bay province. And so now we made sure that the ebony is only handled by the local people, only for carvings and nothing else. I'd like to see people also fight for human rights, and human rights must also be taught in school. I would like to see and advise the young people to go keep on fighting and never to stop, because Papua New Guinea is a beautiful land.